Sending money from an EBT card to a Cash App is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to purchase eligible food items using your EBT card. Then, sell these items to trusted individuals or online marketplaces for cash. Use the cash to add funds to your Cash App account. Several third-party services allow transferring funds from EBT cards to other accounts. These services typically charge fees and may have limitations on transfer amounts. Research thoroughly and choose a reputable service with transparent fees. Some states offer programs allowing EBT funds to be transferred to a bank account. Then, link your bank account to your Cash App and transfer funds from your bank to Cash App. Be aware of any potential transfer fees and processing times.